Hello, guys. This is Abuja Forex Academy. My name is Sean. Welcome to another edition of our pre-market analysis. This is a section where we dive into the analysis, both technical and fundamentals, of what we expect the market to possibly do in this coming week. So, if you're new to this page, kindly click on this subscribe button, like, comment, and share. If there's any pair you want me to analyze, please drop that in the comment section. Follow me on the social media. In this section of our channel, we analyze different pairs. We have dollar, we have euro USD, gold, GBPJPY, and maybe any other pair that comes to my mind, right? This page, you're going to learn a lot of things from my technical analysis. I'm a price action trader. You're going to learn how I analyze. You're going to learn how I trade, where I put my stop loss, where I put my TP. And this analysis is actually for us to prepare for the new week. Today is Sunday. So from Monday, when the market is going to open, we can actually start thinking of, okay, already where the market will likely go to. So without wasting any time, let's go right into the chart right now. So first on my list, I have, as usual, I have DXY, this dollar. You want to know, last week dollar actually really did well, though you can see from the beginning of the week, we expected that price of dollar was going to break the trend line. And yes, eventually broke the trend line, went up a little. Then afterwards, I think this NFP brought down the price of dollar heavily. This was NFP that caused it. Then CPI also pushed the price up, causing a lot of confusion. Initially, you think the price was coming back to this support, but however, this region rejected the price, and you can see it pushed up back to this place. And now this place is a key zone. Why? Because support turned resistance. Now it has turned to resistance again. So what am I expecting dollar to do this week? Already is already showing sign of rejection with these two bearish candles we are seeing. So I'm expecting possibility of dollar to fall back to this level. That's number one. I'm waiting for maybe on a smaller time frame, maybe on 15 minutes. There's a possibility for it to continue to come all the way down. Or if this place is broken, if this resistance is broken, I'm expecting dollar to continue this bullish move, at least up to this zone. You can see this zone. This is a key resistance area. I'm expecting price of dollar to possibly, if it breaks this place, like I said, if it breaks this resistance, then I'm expecting it to go up. So at the moment, I have two buyers. Number one is price to reject and fall back to this place because this place is a key zone. Number two is if price breaks above this resistance, I'm expecting the continuation of this uptrend, right? That's very easy and straightforward. Now, secondly, let's go to gold. I have gold on my list. Yes, last week was very profitable for us in gold. Gold gave us a lot of profits, good profit. We had good trade, as you can see here, three trades. Now, let me show you how. Okay, in my previous video, I released a video today on how I actually analyzed this gold and I took the trade. So you can watch, can go to the channel and watch that video where dedicated for gold alone. So briefly, you can see there's a trend line here, as you can see clearly. There's a trend line, bearish trend line, and price rejected here first time, rejected here second time. And now what happened? You can see the CPI push price of gold heavily down. And now, as price was coming down last week, you can see this place is a major support. One, two, and this is the third time. As price was coming down, I was expecting, yes, price of gold to possibly come to this level and reverse and start going back up. That's number one bias. Then the second one is that there's also a possibility for this place to be broken, this support to be broken, and I'm expecting a sell. So what did I do? At the moment price got to this place and I saw these two rejection, these two candle, here. You can see I had a double bottom. I had a double bottom at this level. I had a double bottom at this level. Then which signifies like there's a rejection here, and there will be possible reversal all the way to the top. So now there's a resistance. At the moment this resistance got broken, I took a buy. You can see the first buy, the second, and the third. This gave us massive profit yesterday, right? Yes, after this breakdown, there was a fundamental news between Lebanon and Israel. I think there's a fight going on at the moment. This is what actually pushed the price of gold back up. Ideally, gold should be coming down. I saw that on Friday. I was wondering why was gold going back up, but I later checked the news. I realized the news of the conflict or war between Lebanon and Israel cause this gold to go back up. Whenever there is chaos, whenever there is instability in political wherever, there's always the possibility of gold always going up, and you see dollar also going up with it, right? So that's that about gold. So what do I think gold is going to do this week? There's a resistance there. There's a resistance at this level. If the price of gold goes up and break this resistance, so I'm expecting price of gold to possibly go back and touch this trend line for the third time, right? For the third time, you can see, let me go back to 4 hours so we see it clearly. I'm expecting price of gold to go back up. If this resistance is broken, come back and touch this trend line for the third time. Or there's also a possibility for it to also break this trend line and go back to this resistance, right? There's a likelihood. So that's that about gold. So I'm expecting the price of gold to either break this resistance up, or there's also a possibility for a rejection and the price will start coming down. So whatever happens within the week, we'll look for a trade and entry. So let me quickly go to Euro USD. Euro USD has been so bearish, 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 bearish. You can see last week the CPI, the NFP news caused this reversal for price to go up. The NFP rather brought the price down to this level. I can see this place is also a major support level. I mean, a major key zone. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I was expecting a reversal here. I was actually anticipating that reversal all the way back up, or there's also a possibility for price to break down and start coming down. So the NFP news brought the price down to this level, and the CPI news reversed the price back. Just like gold, you can see there's a double bottom here, which signifies a price reversal, right? So quite easy to trade, very easy, very, very easy. And eventually the news brought it back. Now it has broken this support. So what am I expecting gold, I mean Euro USD to do? I'm expecting a pullback and then continuation of the downtrend. Very simple. I'm expecting this price to pull back to this level, then before we now see a continuation. So whatever happens to Euro USD Monday, Tuesday, watch out for this trade. I'm expecting a pullback, then a possibility of this continuation. The likelihood for this downtrend is higher than at least for it to go back up to this level, right? That's that. Let's look at GBPJPY. If you are new to this page, click on the subscribe button, like, comment, and share so you can learn more. This week I've dropped about 2 videos already. I'm actually planning to drop more so you can learn from me how I analyze with my price action. We also have a Telegram group where I drop these signals every time, free of charge. It's free for everybody. Click on this in the comment section. There will be a link for you to join the Telegram group. It's for professionals. Anybody can comment, you can share, you can ask questions. We share fundamentals, we share technicals, we share psychology, anything that can improve you. It's a community of traders, right? So it will benefit you a lot. So now let's look at GBPJPY. GBPJPY confused me last week. Why? Because yes, it's been bullish. You can see that it's been bullish all the way up. Yes. So now there's a resistance there. The moment the GBPJPY broke this resistance, I was expecting a continuation of this uptrend. However, you can see I put this trade here. However, the price broke down and hit my stop loss. And now, what do I think GBPJPY would do. I'm not too certain. There is a likelihood for it to come back to this place. That's number one. My second bias is that there's also a possibility for it to still break this and continue to go up. Even though the overall the price is still bullish. So I'm shifting my bias still towards the bullish direction. I'm still a bit bullish until this level is broken, right? Until this support is broken, and maybe price break this trend line before I will be bearish on GBPJPY. At the moment, I'm still technically bullish, right? I'm still technically bullish. I'm expecting the price to still come back and continue to go up. So for now on GBPJPY, I'm just sitting and watching. I'm not taking any trade at the moment until I see a clear, until maybe this place is broken, then I'll look for sell, or this place is broken again, then I'll look for buy. That's that about GBPJPY. Let me look at EURJPY. EURJPY has been bearish as well. Has been bearish. You can see this key zone broken. This place is a key zone. This place is a key zone that has held the price for a long time. As the price broke the key zone to the upside, came back, and it's been struggling to continue. We're supposed to see a continuation of the uptrend, but it's been struggling. But this week, as last week rather, the support got broken, and this my trend line also got broken to the downside. So what am I expecting? EUROCAD, this is EUROCAD, not EURJPY, please. I beg your pardon. What am I expecting this price to do? Now this place is a support. This place is a support. Let me quickly draw this here. This place is a support zone. And price is already showing sign of rejection. So there's a possibility for this um, price of EUROCAD to go back up to this place. Then before we now see a sell down. That's what I'm expecting EUROCAD to do. A pullback to this level, then now a continuation, right? So you can see it's already showing a sign of rejection here with this bullish this bullish candle, right? So that's that about EuroCAD, and that's now with this we've come to the end of our pre-market analysis. You can see I'm rushing. I don't want to waste any time today. I want you to join our Telegram group where by tomorrow, whatever happens in the market, I'll be able to share more analysis. By Tuesday, whatever happens in the market at the start of the morning session here, maybe London session, I'll also analyze and share the chart in the group. So if you're interested in learning how to trade, reach out to me, send a message to me on any of the social media. I will schedule a class for you both online and for people who are in Abuja, in Nigeria. You can actually have this is our office. You can have a physical class here, right, at 3J's Hotel Abuja. And that's that. If you're interested in robots, we have robot that also trades, that can trade for you. At least make average of 20-25% every month. Very conservative. Also reach out to me. We have a very profitable robot that is good. So I hope to see you next week again where we will have our pre-market analysis. I wish you a profitable week. Stay safe and stay blessed. See you. Bye.